Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a safe deposit box system works. First, the customer visits the bank and chooses a safe deposit box according to the required size and rental plan. Different banks may offer different box sizes, so the customer selects the option that best fits their documents, jewelry, certificates, property papers, or other small valuables. After that, the bank verifies the customer's identity. At this stage, bank staff check the customer's ID, signature, account details, and required documents before approving access to a safe deposit box. Next, the customer signs a rental agreement. This agreement explains the rental charges, access rules, responsibilities, and the terms for using the safe deposit box facility. Then, the customer receives a personal key. Usually, the customer keeps one key, while the bank keeps a separate guard key. This is important because the safe deposit box normally cannot be opened with only one key. Afterward, whenever the customer wants to access the box, they must request access at the bank. The bank staff confirm the customer's identity again and record the visit in the access log for security purposes. Next, the box is opened using a dual key system. The bank's guard key and the customer's personal key are both required to unlock the safe deposit box. This system helps prevent unauthorized access. Once the box is opened, the customer is taken to a private viewing room. In this private area, the customer can safely add or remove valuables, documents, jewelry, wills, certificates, or other stored items. After using the box, the customer returns it to the vault area. Then the box is placed back into its slot and securely relocked to protect the contents. Finally, the bank maintains ongoing security through strong vault doors, surveillance cameras, alarms, controlled entry systems, and access records. However, it is important to remember that banks usually do not know the exact contents of the box. Access is normally allowed only during banking or vault hours. Both keys are usually required, and rent is charged periodically. So, in simple words, a safe deposit box system works by combining customer identification, rental agreement, dual key access, private viewing, secure relocking, and continuous bank security to protect valuable items. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.